Hi, and welcome to the training video for location transfer traffic tickets. My name is Clayton. I'll be showing you how to create a traffic ticket to transfer a unit from one branch location to another. This platform is going to allow you to pause, rewind, and fast forward as needed. If you require any post-video assistance, please contact CDK Help by emailing cdkhelp@eocinc.com. That's CDK Help, all one word, at eocinc.com. All right, so we begin on the home screen of CDK, and we're going to navigate to Traffic Management via Product Support's wrench icon right there, either in the Equipment and Traffic or from the Rental and Traffic. They both take you to the exact same spot, so there's no need to differentiate. It's whichever one you're in. All right, here we are. This is going to show our listing tab and any of our sortable options. All right. If you're unfamiliar at all with this screen, we do have another video. It's Traffic Management 101, an introduction. Please be sure to watch that. It goes more into depth about this. All right. So selecting our home branch location, before we begin our ticket, we're going to need to set our location in the top right-hand side of the screen. We can either select the location where the unit is currently or where the unit needs to end up. For this example, I'm going to be transferring a unit from 01 to 09, so Irving to our corporate. So I've chosen to select 01 as my beginning branch. All right, if you need to change it, go ahead and click right there and select whichever one you need. All right. So right now, we will search for any existing tickets related to our unit by entering our stock number that we're going to be transferring. So right here is our stock number. I already have my unit copied into my clipboard, so I just pasted it right here. And I'm going to go ahead and hit go. All right, so right here, nothing pops up for me, so I know I'm okay. If the ticket does exist, take the time to go ahead and review, clear up any issues that you may have. Again, that one will be in the Traffic Management 104, Managing of the Tickets. All right, so we're going to hover over this Need to Create a Traffic Ticket. Click here to Add button. Anywhere on it is fine for a click. I'm just going to go ahead and click right there. We'll select Location Transfer. So there's a little bit of a difference between these two. If you select an inbound, you'll notice you have the from location, so you're pulling it from this location, which in this case, this isn't what we want. But if you are pulling from a different branch, please be sure that you print in your sending location so the other branch does know to go ahead and take that machine, and it is going to you. All right, it prints it out at that store's location. Now, if you're going to do an outbound, or you're sending it from the branch that you are currently in this case, it'd be 01. There we go, select an outbound. 2, there we are, 09. And hit my save. Notice it doesn't ask to print it in the sending location because you are the sending location, and it does have a print button right down there. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and put in that stock number that I already have. All right, and notice how that grayed out field, that's the only thing we need for creation. So if I hit save right here, all right, it may tell you up here at the top left, stock number hours less than what an equipment file. It has been refreshed. So right there, that hours that we had 0 in, it now has 718 hours, which was the last hour meter read. All right. If that little error message up there bugs you or scares you in any way, just go ahead and hit that save button one more time, and it goes away. So currently, right now, we have a traffic receipt number. That means that our traffic ticket is open. We have successfully opened our traffic ticket. All right. So from here, we're actually going to take this pending status, drop it down to a being shipped status. All right, and since this is an outbound, I do know who it's going to go with, so I will fill in my trucker right here. And this will generally be the salesperson or whoever's picking it up and taking it to the other location. All right, so we're just going to pick this one right here. All right, our salesperson number, this is me. I'm filling out this document. There we go. Notice that one, and that one, and that one are gray because that's all we filled in so far. That's all we really need to fill in so far. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit save one more time. I'm going to make sure I didn't miss anything. And it will ask me, hey, would you like to print this out? In this case, I'm going to say yes. Yes, I would. It's going to ask you for your printer that you'd like to print it out to. Simply go ahead and select your little hour or your magnifying glass right next to it. Select whichever printer you need. I find it easiest to go up top right up here and go ahead and type it in. So let's say if I'm looking for a there we go. Couldn't spell, sorry. So if I need to select any printer up here, I can go ahead and select it. In this case, though, I'm going to let it print out to PDF so I can get it on screen. And there we go. It's letting me know that file was generated. I do have a printer printing out a piece of paper. From here, we're done. We can leave this one until we're ready to actually receipt this one in. All right. So I appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video showing our ticket creation for location transfers. You may want to watch one of the next videos in the series. We have our ticket completion, which is Traffic Management 103, and Traffic Management 104 for managing our tickets. At this point, you could just go ahead and hit your save and exit. And I'm actually going to go ahead and show that ticket once it's been created. Right here, it'll look just like that in a delivery receipt if you do it to a PDF. It's a little slow, it's opening. And there we are. We have our outbound delivery receipt for ours. It's been printed out. This is what it'll actually look like in your sending store should you do an inbound pulling from another location. This will print out on their printer. And there we are. That is the opening of a location transfer traffic ticket.